What if one natural oil? What if one natural oil could help improve your hair growth, boost your memory, reduce stress, and even support healthier skin? It may sound surprising, but rosemary oil has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for both beauty and health. Today we're exploring 7 powerful benefits of rosemary oil, how it works, and why so many people are adding it to their daily routine. Let's dive in. What is rosemary oil? Rosemary oil is an essential oil extracted from the rosemary plant. It contains powerful natural compounds with antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. These compounds make rosemary oil one of the most versatile natural oils for wellness. People use it for hair care, skin care, mental focus, relaxation, pain relief. Now let's look at the incredible benefits. Benefit 1. Supports hair growth. One of the most popular uses of rosemary oil is for hair growth. Research suggests rosemary oil may stimulate blood circulation to the scalp. Why does this matter? Better circulation means hair follicles receive more oxygen and nutrients. This may help encourage hair growth, strengthen roots, reduce hair thinning, improve overall scalp health. Some studies have even compared rosemary oil to common hair growth treatments. Many users report noticeable improvement after consistent use for several months. How to use it? Mix a few drops with a carrier oil like coconut or argan oil and massage into your scalp. Leave it for 30 minutes before washing. Consistency matters. Benefit 2. Improves memory and focus. Rosemary has long been associated with memory enhancement. In ancient times, students used rosemary while studying because it was believed to improve concentration. Modern research suggests the aroma of rosemary oil may stimulate brain activity. It may help improve concentration, increase alertness, enhance memory recall, reduce mental fatigue. This is why many people diffuse rosemary oil while working, studying, reading, doing creative tasks. A few deep breaths of rosemary oil may help your mind feel clearer and sharper. Benefit 3. Reduces stress and anxiety. Life can be stressful. Rosemary oil may help promote relaxation and emotional balance. Its natural aroma can influence the nervous system, helping reduce tension. People often use rosemary oil in aromatherapy because it may help lower stress levels, reduce nervous tension, improve mood, promote calmness. You can use it by adding a few drops to a diffuser or mixing it with massage oil. A simple rosemary oil massage after a long day can feel incredibly relaxing. Benefit 4. Supports healthier skin. Rosemary oil can also benefit your skin. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties may help improve skin appearance. It may help reduce acne-causing bacteria, soothe irritation, balance oily skin, support clearer complexion. It also contains antioxidants that help protect skin from environmental damage. Important note: never apply pure rosemary oil directly to your skin. Always dilute it with a carrier oil. This helps avoid irritation. Used correctly, rosemary oil can be a powerful addition to your skincare routine. Benefit 5. Helps relieve pain and muscle tension. Rosemary oil is often used for natural pain relief. It may help reduce muscle soreness, joint discomfort, tension headaches, minor inflammation. This happens because rosemary oil may improve circulation and provide a warming sensation. Many people use it after exercise. How to use it? Mix with a carrier oil and massage into sore muscles. It's especially popular for neck tension, shoulder stiffness, leg fatigue. It's not magic, but it can offer real relief. Benefit 6. Has antibacterial properties. Rosemary oil contains natural compounds that may help fight bacteria and fungi. This makes it useful for scalp care, skin cleansing, natural home cleaning blends. Some people even add diluted rosemary oil to homemade sprays. Its cleansing properties make it useful beyond beauty and wellness. Plus, it smells fresh and herbal. Benefit 7. May improve sleep quality. Although rosemary is known for focus, it may also help relaxation when used properly. When stress is the reason for poor sleep, rosemary oil's calming effects may help the body unwind. Using it before bed may help create a peaceful environment. Try diffusing rosemary oil in your bedroom or adding diluted oil to your temples. For some people, it promotes a more restful night. How to use rosemary oil safely. A few important safety tips. Always dilute rosemary oil before applying to skin. Avoid contact with eyes. Do a patch test first. If you are pregnant, have epilepsy, or certain medical conditions, consult a healthcare professional before use. Natural doesn't always mean risk-free. Proper use is essential. Rosemary oil is much more than a pleasant scent. From supporting hair growth and brain function to helping with stress relief and skincare, it offers impressive natural benefits. The key is using it safely and consistently. Have you ever tried rosemary oil? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.